I have to do the grocery shopping today. Kiki, could you help me?
No problem. You can count on me.
Fruit juice should be put in the locker first and can't be taken to the supermarket.
Let's shop at the supermarket. What do we need to get?
Come and have a look. Remember to buy these items.
What should we get first?
Fish section. We need to buy these fish. Where are they? Let's catch them. Correct. Correct.
Yay!
Cake section. What kind of cake do you like?
Yay!
Accessory area. We have many pretty accessories. Which one do you like?
This looks so cool. I'd like to have this.
Tie. It fits you perfectly.
Yay!
Cosmetics section. What kind of cosmetics do you need? This one looks nice. I want to get one. You can try the colors on my face.
Yay!
Snack section.
I want these snacks. Whoa! Yay!
Awesome. We've got everything we need. Let's check out.
Hello, please put your items on the counter.
Blusher. Bread. Candy. Cake. Fish. Tie.
How would you like to pay?
Cash.
Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw
Thank you
ticket
very
for you.
much.
I hope you can win a big prize.
It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Honey, thanks for your help. You are awesome.
Whoa!
Remember to pick up your belongings from the locker. What's our password?
984 9 8 4
Mew Mew, let's shop at the supermarket together.
Sounds great! What should we get?
Check out the shopping list. We need to buy these.
What should we get first?
Beverages section.
Honey, what would you like to drink?
I like these drinks.
Remember to close the cupboard door after picking the items.
Clothes section. What kind of outfit and shoes would you like?
I like this one.
You can try them on if you like. It fits you perfectly. Looks awesome!
I am all set. Thank you.
Daily necessities section.
Honey, let's check out the daily necessities we need.
Snack section.
Wow, there are so many snacks. I'd like to have these.
Toys section.
I'd like to have this toy. Where is it?
Fish section.
We need to buy these fish. Where are they? Let's catch them. Awesome. We've got everything we need. Let's check out.
Hello, please put pistachio. Bread. Strawberry juice. Clothes. Toy lion. Fish. Shoes. Coke. Comb.
How would you like to pay?
Mobile payment.
Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw
Thank you
ticket
very
for you.
much.
I hope you can win a big prize. It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Great job, honey. Thanks for your help.